1 minute update of the tomato plants. There are two in here and they're tied up side by side, and you can see how well they're growing together. Doing a good job. I got some growth on top and it really filled in. And there's the other one that I cut off the dead branch, and don't have to water it because it rained last night. They do a good job picking up and growing. So hope you enjoy the growth of my tomato plant. Got some drain holes on the bottom, and we'll be getting tomatoes end of summer most likely. Thank you very much for viewing Tomato Plants.